So here's a little trick I just learned about doing exhaust header bolts. First of all, you want to start from the outside edges, working your way in, which is kind of normal for working on cylinder heads and intake manifolds, exhaust manifolds. So use shitload of PB Blaster, heat it up, and then begin to tighten, loosen, tighten, loosen, tighten, loosen, tighten, loosen, tighten, loosen, until you can roll it off. Roll it off, roll it back on the outside, tighten it up, and then work your way from either end to the center, loosening, tightening until it rolls off, tighten it in the back the whole way up. That way you're keeping pressure with the exhaust manifold against the head, so it's not putting undue pressure, pushing, bowing outwards, and that way you're less likely to snap off one of these bolts, if that makes any sense.